Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me, Zeeshan Hurmaz, and I'm back with another hard crypto project. Today I just want to talk about what is Moonbeam, and I want to give complete detail about this project. And already I reviewed this project many times, but right now I just want to give you a small introduction to Moonbeam, and as well as I just want to clear some important main price prediction of this project. So all the related link about this project you will be getting in the video description, so you can check them all one by one before it starts. Small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project, and please make sure if you want new channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any video from the Zeeshan Hurmaz. So let's get started recording. What is Moonbeam? Basically, the Moonbeam is the symbol of this one project is GLMR. Moonbeam is Ethereum compatible smart contract parachain on Polkadot. Moonbeam makes it easy to use popular Ethereum developer tools to build or deploy a Solidity project in a substrate-based environment. And Moonbeam is much more than just a EVM implementation. It is highly specialized parachain that mirrors Ethereum's Web3 RPC. And basically you must know about what is Web3. Basically, if you look to Web 1, if anyone can create an article, we won't be able to get and give any reaction on that article. But if you look to Web 2, after comes to the Web 2, we will be able to give any reaction on that article. Like you can also do comment on any article. You can also like and post any type of question on that article. So Web3 is more modern than two others, Web 1 and Web 2. And basically this is account keys, subscription logs and more. The Moonbeam platform extended the basic Ethereum feature set with the additional feature as a on-chain governance, stacking and cross-chain integration. So there's some important tell about the Moonbeam. Ethereum compatibility is unmatched. You can see minimal charges. Developer can existing Solidity smart contracts right away with no need to rewrite or reconfigure. Use existing development tools, connect popular tools like MetaMask, Hardhat, Waveley Remax, and Trifly via a complete set of Web3 RPC endpoints. Use well-known JavaScript libraries and such as Web3.js or Ethers.js. Unified account addresses and signature. Use your existing Ethereum H160 account and ECDSA signature to interact with Moonbeam and tap into the most integration or Polkadot is using existing or still bridge wallets and other tools that are already building on Moonbeam. Moonbeam provides integration and connectivity between Polkadot parachain and as well as with other chains such as Ethereum and Bitcoin via eBridge. Moonbeam was started in 2019 by Dirk of Pure Stack. What's make Moonbeam unique? Moonbeam offer an Ethereum-like environment on the top of substrate rather than gate-based solutions. They lets developers redeploy their existing smart contracts easily using the same tools or integration they already use, but also take advantages of the modern substrate framework on which all Polkadot parachain are built. The Moonbeam Network makes it possible for developers with Solidity or Viper-based smart contract to go multi-chain and extend their influence into the Polkadot ecosystem. Polkadot blockchain ensures less sharing of workload on new layer. Through Moonbeam, developers can port their existing Ethereum dApps to Polkadot or easily create new permissionless decentralized application using familiar Ethereum development tools. The tools of Moonbeam ensure that there is a minimum change when front and dApp are moved between chain. By using Moonbeam, Ethereum development, which is the largest maker of existing blockchain, developer will be able to bypass the scalability challenges due to the expenses and constraints of the Ethereum network. So this is some detail about that. And after that, you can see right over here, this is the main chart of this one project, and you can see this the main chart shown that in this one project this is a continuously downtrend of this one project, but anytime we can see a huge spike in this one project. So if you want to participate in this one project right now, this is the best time to buy this one project. This is the best time to pick this one project. You can see in 19 that you can see in February 19 2022 the price of this one project is almost 3.72, and you can see if you look to the on 7 February on 2022 the price of this one project is 6.3467. So means that this is the best time to participate in this one project, and right now you must be participating that if you want to buy this one project. So you simply pick up this one project, you simply buy this one project for different exchanges. You can say just want to click on that, and you could simply see on that you will be able to check out the all detail about this one project. And if you want to get a complete detail video about this one project, so I will place the one link in the description box. You simply click on that, you will be able to check out the complete detail about the Moonbeam. So this is all detail about this one project. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. You can simply pick up this one project from Binance, Coco, and get.io, and as well as. So that's all about this one project. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.